Let me pin this here. I hope you guys can hear me. I finally bought a microphone after having I had like 2 microphones in the past. I remember giving one to my sister, and the second one does not just do what it is meant to do. But I am happy to finally film this video, because I don't even know when I'm going to upload it, but I'm so happy to finally film a video. I have been away from YouTube for up to a month now. Like, I have not uploaded a proper full video in a month, given the fact that I even made a new hair and I didn't even show you guys properly, which is very unlike me. But a lot has been going on in my life lately. I hope to get back to regular uploading by April. I can't promise anything in March, honestly, but hopefully I get back to regular posting by April. But I really want to upload this particular video maybe by weekend, if I'm able to edit it. And my voice may sound a bit tired. I actually just woke up and I had to push myself to do this. So I have had this hair for like, I think maybe a week plus, but it's very rough, and honestly I feel like it's the perfect hairstyle for this weather, because it is not touching my body. But another thing is the fact that I had sweat a lot on my scalp and it's been very itchy. There are a few products that I want to buy and try for you guys. Like, there are a lot of exciting content to come, but I have had a lot of things going on behind the scene. Like I said, if you're new on my channel, I didn't even welcome you guys. Oh my god. If you're new on my channel, you're welcome. I am Adunni and I'm a content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. I share hair tutorials, DIYs to help you save money and look good. But subsequently, you'll be seeing me sharing more blogs about my life. So I just want to like revamp this, like just wash it and put it back into what it is in, and that is what I will be showing you guys in this video. So basically, if you have a hairstyle that you like so much, something like this, I've actually seen this hairstyle on like a few people in Abuja since I made it, because honestly it is just the perfect hairstyle for this heat, because this heat, I don't know, it's so much. It is really like, it is so much. It's actually getting better, but we have not gotten there yet. We have not gotten there yet. I am not sick. I know I look sick, but I am not sick. I am just stressed. That's just it. I am stressed. So I am stressed, but I really want to push myself to put out more content for you guys on my channel, and also because I need to make more money. If I don't put out content, I can't make money. So, and I appreciate the fact that even while I was not putting out content, my old videos were getting engagement from you guys. Even while I was away, I was still getting new subscribers. I was still getting thank you comments in the comment section. And the reason why I am even doing this early again is because I have a call coming in. So I have taken out the extension on this side, and I am currently taking out the extension on the second side. So even the extension is smelling, because I had actually, like, you can't even be in Nigeria and not say you don't know the level of the heat in Nigeria currently. The heat is a lot. It is a lot. So as I was saying, I really just want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you to 3,562 subscribers that we currently are on. I want to say thank you guys so much for constantly engaging and putting up with my inconsistent self. I remember starting this year and saying I am going to be very consistent. In fact, I had a calendar that I was going to follow, but life has been lifing, as they would say, life has been lifing. I don't think I want to reuse this extension. I was thinking I would reuse it, but I don't think I want to. So as I say, life has been lifing positively though. I just have not had time to fill you guys in, and I can't wait to fill you guys in. I genuinely can't wait. I have a lot of vlogs that are already edited. I just need to upload them and share with you guys. So basically that's it. Let me get my, so I want to order like some natural hair products. So there's a particular product that I want to review, and I think I want to review it. I want to like 30 days review for this particular product, so that I can really carry you guys along and show you guys if everything we've been seeing about this particular product is real. Hopefully I placed the order today and it can get in today. Then I want to buy this scalp massager thing, maybe the manual one, because the electric one is around almost 20,000 or more than 20,000. So maybe the manual one, because I feel like I need to scrub my scalp. I really need to scrub my scalp, guys. Anyways, 1 minute. So my hairdresser advised me when I went to make this hair, because I actually washed my hair at the salon while I was making this one. So she advised me that I should reduce the rate at which I use deep condition on my hair. So like I shouldn't use it like every wash day. So I won't be using it today. I won't be using it today. Anyways, let's wash my hair, guys. I left it to dry, and I plaited one part down. So I'm going to plait the other side on camera for you guys to see. If you're not new on my channel, you know that I only know how to do DD, which a few people call two-hand. I don't know how to do weaving, and yes, I do my DD from the front, which a few people find weird. I don't know why. Right from when I was in secondary school, people are always like, how do you do your DD without cutting the middle into two? How do you do your DD from the front? Because of course, even growing up, when we normally go to the, I don't want to use this word, when we normally go to make our hair, if you're doing DD, they will normally divide the parts into two. But mine, I just go straight away. And given the fact that my mom, who is the actual hairstylist, does not know how to do DD, but I do know. Like, I actually know how to make DD. So, but I don't know how to make weaving, and that is the reason why. Because I don't know how to do weaving, is the reason why I don't know how to do Ghana weaving, because you can't, like, the method of weaving is different from DD. I don't know if I am making sense, but you get right. So that's it. And there's this myth of DD helps to grow your hair. Honestly, if that is true, my hair should be very long now, and I think that is one of the reasons why I just intentionally stopped doing DD, because it was not growing my own hair, and people will keep saying DD grows your hair, and I'm like, why is my own hair not growing? But anywho, I look so pretty. My lips is dry. My lips so pretty. So guys, what do you guys think? I just don't want anything touching my body this period. Like, I don't want anything touching my body this period. So if I want to go out, I'll just lay my edges, probably maybe like use a ponytail at the back, and I'm off. I'll probably make a video showing you guys like shots, so you actually want to keep your eye open on the shots section of my channel. I'll make a video showing you guys different ways I will be styling this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please, if you find this video helpful in any way, like send to a friend, send to a sister, send to a nephew, a niece, send to a niece, send to any female person around you. If you find any of my video helpful, please do not forget to click the subscribe button. I have big subscriber goals for 2024. Yes, I know I am not serious, but don't worry, I have content that would make you subscribe and make you stick around. Okay, so that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video by the special grace of God. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.